I'm here at LaserAway to get one of my favorite all-time treatments. It is the Clear and Brilliant, and it's going to give me smoother, brighter skin. Let's go.
It's like I'm talking to your twin, talking to your twin, talking to your twin sister. Looks like I'm tangled up again, cause you got me so twisted.
Okay, we're in the treatment room. Tamika's about to do my numbing, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, numbing cream is applied. We're gonna let this sit for about a half hour and then start the treatment. So we're about 1 minute into the treatment, and I had to be informed that she'd started because I feel nothing. And that is it. We are all done. I've got my cooling sheet mask on. It feels so good. My skin just feels like a little tingly. You can see the redness here. Yeah, it's like half numb, half tingly. The treatment was so fast and easy, and I'm so excited for the results.
Like that video? Make sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking left. And for more awesome content, click right. To schedule your free consultation for any of our services, click the on-screen link. What are you waiting for?